method over here. I will share this code after this. So let me think one by one. Forget about this particular other options. So already we are having a node class with me. Already I am having that particular operational part like search, like your last day in order, pre-order, post-order traversals. Only these two methods have been added. This is one method and this is the second method. Just like your insert, over here, two sort of methods have been added. One is called public void delete, which is taking our roll number as an input. We are assuming this set of values are nothing but my roll numbers. And we are passing this value. How? Go back to your main. I will just say, forget about these lines, bt underscore demo 1 dot. Which method I am going to call? I am going to call my delete method. So this method will take a parameter from me. So that means basic purpose visually, if I can see, I am passing over here a node as a roll number, which I need to delete. Suppose I am passing 24 and I need to delete this node 24. This is my first case. So in that case, I am going to say, I will call the delete mode. My roll number variable will receive a value called 24. But how? I need to call it from my main function. Call the method delete, pass the value roll number. So corresponding to this line, I can say I am passing the value towards my delete method. These are same. Then my delete operation will be get invoked and it will call this function. So roll number will receive a value 24. My visual representation in your left hand side. So actually, I want to delete a node whose value is 24. Still now, by calling this function, is everything clear? Yes, no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So did you understand roll number is now having a value 24, correct? Now let's see what is happening. It is actually very similar like your preliminary part of your insert. Very, very common. So what I am saying, I am calling another function from here. The name of the function is delete node. And it is taking two parameters with me, roll number and root. But by the way, what is this root? This root is nothing but your root node memory address. We are assuming over here this particular root node memory address is having a value 100. Say for example, this 100 is representing over here my root node is 26 it is talking about that 100. So this 100 I will pass as a parameter over here. So my particular value, roll number over here is as it is 24, and root, which is actually having a memory address of root node, which is nothing but 100. Am I clear? Yes, no. Because by default, binary tree having its root node, which is going to be pointed in my program for the very preliminary whenever it was created as null. Then once again, value will be inserted, root will be automatically comes into the picture. So now over here, from delete method I have called from the main, I will pass a roll number 24. In turn, it will call another function called delete node. And this delete node actually taking two parameters. First parameter, the roll number, which you have assigned, that is 24. And second parameter is the node of address of root node, because always it will start searching from the root. So over here, from this line, it is going to call this function. And this function will receive your value in terms of roll number to roll number over here. So this roll number value actually passes over here. This root value is passes is a form of parent. So anywhere do you have any sort of issue till now?
Sir, can we delete the root itself by the function?
Sorry, can you please louder?
Sir, can we delete root itself by its delete function?
We can delete.
That means the next 25 will become the root.
So
If
what
we
you are
delete the
saying,
base.
root as a you don't want to you want to delete root. Yeah, you can delete root, but for the root delete purposes, there are some few set of other logic. First, we will concentrate on three things of things. Other than root, a node will be deleted, which will be a leaf. A node will be deleted, which is having a single children. A node will be get deleted, which is having more than one children. First, we will concentrate over here. And over here, what I have found, I want to delete 24, which is nothing but a, as per as this pictorial information, it is a leaf node. Am I right? Yes, no.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So I will call the delete method. Delete method takes the value of my roll number, which I need to delete. In turn, it will call another function. The name of the function is delete node, that is this. It always return a node address, and that root address I am going to keep in a form of root over here. But still I don't know how it will found, how it will return. Only I know that I will call this delete node method. It will pass two value to this particular function, and these two value are consecutively passed to these two parameters. So now, according to this calling 24, over here, this roll number variable is still having the value that is called 24, and parent, which is nothing but a node. So parent is holding a memory address that is 100, which is assigned to your root node. Clear? Once you will give me confirmation, then I will go ahead.
Yes, sir. Clear.
Then
Yes, sir. Clear.
Everybody clear with this line?
Yes,
Now.
sir.
yes, sir.
Okay. Actually, I did not find the Josh. So just like that movie, I need to, every time I need to iterate. Where is the Josh? Or how is the Josh? Okay, going ahead. First, I am checking in this line, the first line of your program. What I am checking? My checking is if the value of parent is equal to null. Now, I have a question to you. Why I am checking it is null or not?
If the
Simple
tree
thing. Actually, I have passed the value of root. And if root is holded, the value of root is holded by parent. And if parent become null, it means there is no particular nodes are available within that binary tree. So therefore, first I am checking, is my binary tree empty? If it is null, then I will display nothing to delete. Return null. Agree?
Yes, sir.
Clear? Dipesh Miglani, I am not getting your sound.
Yes, sir.
Thank God. Okay. Now, going ahead. So up to this portion, I have done it. So now I am coming over here in the else position. So my parent is not null because parent is holding 100 over here in this case. So in this case, if my parent is holding address and it is also pointing to this node. Now I am saying parent dot roll number. What is the roll number of parent? 26. Because parent is holding the root node at, and root node having a data called roll number. And I am talking about parent dot roll number. So parent dot roll number is now at present directly pointing to which value? 26. Is it clear? Is it greater than roll number? What is my roll number value over here? My roll number value is over here is 24. So actually, what is my checking of context? If the root node roll number value is greater than the roll number that I have given, what I have given? 24. So what do you think? Is it correct? Yes? No? What value it will return? True or false? Parent dot roll number is greater than roll number. What value it will return? In other words, I can say I am checking is 26 parent dot roll number. Parent is my root. Greater than 24.
True.
So what value it is finding? True or false?
True.
True.
True, sir.
True. So it is
True, sir.
finding me true. So what to do?
Go to the
What to
left.
do? What to do? I need to go for our next line. That means this one. So parent dot left. What is parent dot left? This one or this one? Which one? You tell me.
Left side. 25.
On the left side, sir. 25.
So I can say this is wrong. Parent dot left is actually is nothing but the particular point that is this. So parent dot left equal to delete node roll number parent dot left. That means once again I am calling recursive function called delete node. That means it come back over here. And what value it will carrying with it 20 roll number. And what value it is carrying with it? Parent dot left. So
25.
assume this 25 is having a memory address, suppose 89. This is my memory address, correct? So this memory address is now being held by whom? By 25, or in other word, I can say it is parent dot left. So actually, from here, I am passing what value? I am passing two set of values. For roll number, the value is 24. And for parent dot left, I am just shortcut I am writing. Please, parent dot left is holding a value of memory address of the left address. That is 89.
89.
So once again, my control will arrive over here. I will call this function once again with this two set of values. So first it is checking parent is not null, of course. Now once again it is coming over here. Parent dot roll number. That means what value I am checking? Parent dot roll number is nothing but the value of roll number over here. Sorry. P dot roll number. Parent dot roll number, what is the value is parent dot roll number is holding? 25.
25.
Is it greater than 24?
Yes.
Once again, I will get an answer true. First, it is checking less than, sorry. Actually, directly I am coming back over here because this concept is not wrong. Is 25, it is actually talking about less than 24. So, answer is false. So, it will jump into which location? It will jump into this particular location. Now, once again, I am checking, is my 26, no, sorry. Now it is not 26, it is now having 25. 25 is greater than 24. So, actually my checking over here is happening is second term. I am passing this. Once again, this second term is my 25 is greater than 24. Answer is yes. If it is yes, once again it is calling the delete node with roll number parent dot left. Now where I will move over here now? Moving from here to its left. So that means this is. So now, once again delete node called. Once again it will come over here. Now it will check 24 is greater than 24. No. So I am going out of the string. None of this matching is happening over here. So now I am moving into where? In my else part. Are you clear? Till now. First
Yes,
it
sir.
will pass memory address of parent. Check parent dot roll number greater than roll number 26 is greater than 24. It found true. Then it will move to its left place. And once again delete node will be called with a new value. So 26, after that it will come with the 25 is greater than 24 or not. If it is greater than 25 dot node, once again it will be called. Now it will jump to this location. But now this condition is not matching. If this condition is not matching, then which condition will come in over here? Else. Now, 24 is not greater than 24. So therefore, I will move to this particular position, and this position is going for the else case and written one case one. What is case one? There are two probability because I am reaching to that particular node which is actually need to be deleted. Now first I need to check that node I am deleting having only one child. How? How I can check if this node is having only one child? Either its left node having a not null value or its right node having a not null value. Then only I can assure if this node having a single child. Still I am coming over here. If parent dot left equal to net, return parent dot right. Else if parent dot right equal to null, return parent dot left. Else, if both of these conditions are not filled up, then what to do? I need to go for this line. So over here, first I am checking my case one. Does my node, which I suppose to delete, that is 24, having a left null value? Yes, it is having a right left null value. So automatically, if it is a left null value, it will return right. So if it is return right, when it will return right? If its left value is null. Else if it will check if its right value is null, it is also return parent dot left. So either left will be returned or right will be returned, depend upon if it is having a child. But it does not have any child. So in that case, I am assuring myself that this is my simply what? A leaf node. Neither it has a left pointer, nor it is having a right pointer having any value. So in this case, simply I will come to this case 3. It has no child. So I will delete it. I will return its parent. 89 will be the parent will be null. Now let me come with a new setup scenario. It has no child and it will return the parent. Once again I will go back. What happened? I will just delete that node which will be returned. So I will say delete what? Root. So root value will be get deleted. Same way, I will go over here with another concept that is called mean value. But when this mean value will comes into the picture, if any on the node is having one child or two child. So now I am thinking, okay, fine, go over there and delete a value, something called 82. So let me come with that scenario once again. So I will remove all of my drawings. Start from the flash. So my flash says, okay, I need to delete 82. Now 82 having a left hand side child and right hand side child both. So in that case, what is going to be get deleted? It will call the delete method. This delete method is now having a particular parameter. The parameter says you are passing a roll number which has to be deleted. But before that, let me finish this process. Delete will be happen 24. It does not have any reply to be deleted. Now I am going with a concept where I am going with a concept, say for example, having two children. So I am passing a value that is known as 82. Once again, I have my own set of root node memory addresses. Let me create those memory addresses for root node. It is assuming 100. And I am also going with this particular node, which is having 523. And just keep remember, I am just creating another, just previous to my deleted node, it is having 200. And these two don't appear. So I am passing a value called 80. Now, my root node is having a memory address of 100. So from here, it will call this deleted node. First, it is going to check, is my parent null? No, my parent is having a value called 100 and it is having a roll number called 82. Fine. So this process will not make any effect. Now I am checking parent dot roll number is less than roll number. Is my parent dot roll number is having a value called 26? Is it less than 82? So parent dot roll number, that is 26, is less than 82. Result is saying yes, it is true. Because parent roll number is 26, I want to delete a node which is having a value called 82. So in that case, I need to call delete node function and pass the roll number, pass the parent dot write. So who is my parent dot write? Parent dot write is nothing but now a new memory address given to my delete node with this 75. So now, once again, this delete node function will be called from here. And if it will call over here, so it will arrive over here. Now my roll number is become same as 82. But assume the 75 memory address, which is I am talking about, is nothing but say 98. So I am talking about the memory address at present in front of me about this. It is its roll number, and I am assuming my parent, the node which is passed over here, whose memory address is 98. Once again, checking happens. This will be returned false. Once again, it is coming over here. Parent dot roll number is less than roll number. Parent dot roll number is 75. So I will actually comparing the value 75 is less than 82. Yes. Then what to do? Go to the parent dot write. Parent dot write means I am talking about once again with a new set of value parent dot write, that is 80. So it is once again coming back in this position. Now the value is become what? 8 roll number is containing 82 as it is, but this memory address is something else. This memory address is 200. So now it is coming into my else part. So once again, this will be get checked. Parent is not null. Then it is coming with over here. Else parent dot roll number is greater than this or not. So if it is not greater than, it is finding a value over here. So it is finding what value? It is finding your value is 80. So it is coming over here. It is going to check is 80 less than 82? Yes, it is. Then once again, it will pass the memory address of the next. So what is the memory address of the next? Memory address of the next is simply
82.
this one, 503, right? So 503 will be passed over here as a parameter. So now my new set of value will be, roll number will be as it is, but it become 503. Once again, it is coming over here. It is now going to collect the value. Is 82 is greater than 82? Sorry, over here. Is 82 is less than 82? Answer is says no, it is false. I am at present over here. I am at present over here. I am getting his own roll number as 82. I have also passed a roll number to be get deleted is 82. So this condition become false. If this condition become false, then it will check this condition. If parent dot roll number is greater than roll number, no. My parent dot roll number is 82 and it is not greater than 82. So this concept will not arrive. So it will go for this case. If parent dot left is equal to null, no, it is not null. Then it will go with the, if parent dot right is equal to null, no, it is not null. Then what to do? Then both of these else will be ignored. Come to this else. Now I am saying what? I am saying parent dot roll number go for a mean value. This is once again a new function. Previously, if you remember, we are calling delete node function iteratively. Now, whenever I will find both of the parent left and right are not null, then what I am doing? I am saying parent dot roll number, call a function called mean value, where we are passing the value of parent dot right. So who is my parent dot right? Who is my parent dot right? This is my parent, and this is its
95.
figure parent dot right. So it is to find the node of the right child, which is the smallest one, and then it will once again whatever the value will be passed, that is parent dot right is actually talking about this. So within my right child, whoever my parent smallest value out of this right child, that I will come over it. And further, once it will return the value. So what value it will return? It will return the value 95. So if it will return the value 95, I will say parent.write, call the delete node with roll number and parent dot. And in this way, this iteratively it will come to over here and it is going to exchange that mean value. So let me check what mean value is actually doing over here. Mean value is first checking what is my root roll number. While parent dot left is not equals to null, it is actually passing the parent dot left equal to dot roll number to mean. And parent will be become your parent dot left. So your parent was previously this. Now your parent dot left become this. So 81 will become over here. And it will return the value mean. Once again, the return value mean will be taken by it, this parent dot roll number, and it is sending it to its right address to it. So automatically 81 will get a address of 95 over. And in this way, the total process will run. So either I have a single value or I have a particular multiple value. I will just check this thing over. So once again, the way I have gone through with this analysis? Please go ahead. This is all about binary tree deletion. It is very similar, like your insertion, if you remember and if you recall it. Every time I am calling over there a search node function, over here we are calling a delete node function, nothing more than that. Only this is. And only one thing is comes into the picture. If the node I need to delete having a left or right check, it will call the mean value function. It will take the minimum value from this available list and pass it as a parent. So if I am going to delete 82, 81 become its parent. So I am just replacing the value of my deleted node. So node will be get deleted, value will be get deleted. I am replacing the value of. So I know it is not one time people cannot understand. I know it.
Sir,
So yeah,
sir, parent dot left dot roll number means like how we are doing this.
parent dot left. Suppose this is our parent. Just first I am clearing out points. Suppose you imagine this is my parent. This is parent is holding the address. And it is having another node in its left hand side, which is containing a value, suppose 79. Okay, now who is my parent? This is my parent. Parent dot left. Here I am talking about one. Those roll number, I am talking about what? So parent dot left dot roll number, actually talking about the whatever, wherever my parent is, go to its left child, retrieve the roll number value for this. And I am passing this roll number over here. Actually, over here, I am not passing the memory. I am passing the roll number. So 80 will be deleted, 79 will be placed. So I don't need to do anything with this node. Suppose if I need to delete this node, I am actually not deleting this node. I am passing its child value to it. So 80 will be automatically get deleted. After 75, 79 will be get placed, 981, 995. So I don't need to do any changes over here regarding its memory places. I'm just pushing the value, that is the roll number value. So jahan, the place where 80 was there, I am placing the value 79 over here. That is the thing I am doing over here. We are actually not changing any existing node, neither its address. We are moving to it. We are getting the smallest value which is available in the left hand side, and value will be transferred over here. So if value will be transferred over here, rest of the node will be aligned as it is, as it was previously. But what will happen? There will be no existence of 80. Now it becomes 79. So at the time of insertion, we are creating nodes, we are passing their addresses. Actually, in the terms of deletion, we are just not deleting the node, rather than we are replacing the value of the node with the appropriate value, so that rest of the thing will be as it is.
Okay, sir.
Understood? So
Yes,
again,
sir.
if I will replace 80 with 79, node arrangement will be remain same, because it is having a right pointer which is having a value this and which is having a value this. So now 75 is also pointing to this. Only what happened in between this value will be get automatically clear. So either we are exchanging our nodes to each other, their addresses, swapping their, or we are swapping their value in terms of deletion. Nothing is.
So
Yeah.
that if parent dot left is equal to null statement, could you please look at that?
If parent dot left equal to null statement,
Yes, then
it
return
is means what?
upward,
it
upward,
means-
sir, at line 3.
You are talking this?
Up, up, sir. Up, up.
Starting of the file, sir.
Case 1, case 1.
That-
After
case
else.
1.
As if parent dot
Case one.
left is equal to null, then return parent dot right. Where is this parent dot right is returning, sir?
Where is this parent dot right is returned? Are you sure with your questions? So first I am coming where I am. I am in a function. Which function?
Delete
The
the
name of the function.
delete node.
What it is returning? A node value. So it is
Node value.
returning that value.
So parent dot right.
Just
so,
wait. Whatever,
Okay.
parent dot right, parent dot left, whatever it is returning. I am now justifying is there is a return type with this function? Yes. And is it correctly returning any value? Okay, fine, it is returning a value. But to whom it is returning? Delete node function will be called from which method? Delete. There is a variable called root,
yes.
and root is actually holding this value. So whatever the value from any of the if clauses, else clauses, whatever the values are coming, ultimately it is coming and posting over there. Am I right?
Yes.
That
Actually,
is
sir, take a case. Let's say that 0025.
You tell me now value. You tell me value, I will insert over.
Okay, so
That is
after
the best. You think
0025, let's
what
just
I
go
want?
for,
I want a left child or right child of 25. You tell me.
at 24.
At
No,
20,
wait.
at
wait.
24.
25 and I literally want actually in right side. 25 right side.
No. This is my left side.
Yeah, we need to have a greater value to go in 25 right side.
So greater value anything which is already available out right side. Now you tell me where I need to put a value or what value I need to put. Or you indicate me ki
All right,
under
first try.
which-
First insert 23, sir.
23. So first you understand where 23 will be placed.
Yes, the 23 gonna be placed at first.
Just
right?
wait.
26.
Wait. Before telling anything, I will say 25 having this or this. This is my left. This is my left. And of course, this will be my right. Now you think 23 need to be placed. Where it will be placed?
Left.
Because it is not going to be placed over here because all the value greater than root will be available over here, right? Just right of 25 or right of left of 25. This is my left. This is my
Left of
right.
25.
Where you want to insert a value? First, you need to decide it in order to define a case. Do you want any value to be inserted in the right side of 25 or in this position? Or you want the value to be get inserted? I will provide you the value. You just first decide where you want to insert. Right side or left side? I'm not getting. Sorry. Where you want?
Basically, I actually want to delete a parent who's have a right node.
You have a
but
right
don't
child.
have a-
Okay, fine. Stop it. This is a parent. Imagine this one, 25. Who should
Yes.
have a right hand side child? That means over here.
Greater than 25.
So what value I need to insert? You tell me. Now,
First 23, then 24.
simple thing, yeah. No, no. Why should I go for this? If I will insert any value which is in between 25 and 26, that will be appear over here. But over here, sorry, the value is too close to each other.
That's right. It's
So it
Not
will
about
not be
same.
get posted. Any value which is lies between this node and this node, greater than this node but less than this node, will appear over here. Okay. So first, for doing that case, what I am going to do, see, I am going to insert 20. Now I am going to insert any value which lies in between these two range, 25 and 20, say 23, 24, 20, anything. So I am going to insert 21. Now see, 21 is less than 26. It should appear to 25. 25 is all, 21 is once again less than 25. It will come to the 20. But 20 is greater, 21 is greater than 20. So it will place it over here. Let's see.
yes, sir.
So now you are getting your desired thing.
Yes.
A parent node which is having a right. Come over here. I will start deleting. That means my delete value is now 21 or 20, whatever.
I want to delete parent 20.
So what will happen? Parent is not null. Go back. Parent dot roll number starting from 26. Parent dot roll number is less than roll number. Yes. So it is yes or no. Tell me, parent dot roll number is 26. Is it less than the roll number that you have given 20? No.
No, it is
Fine.
greater.
Greater. So where I need to move parent dot left, where from I need to call once again delete node. So where I will be arrived, I will arrive over here.
25.
So once again this function will be recalled. Now it will check parent dot roll number is 25. Visit and you want to delete is basically 20. So is it greater or lesser? Greater. So it will move to over here. Correct?
Yes.
Now it is coming with the case one. Node I am deleting having only one child. How I am checking? If parent dot left equal to null, parent dot left, that means I am talking about this location. Is it null? Yes, it is null. Then return what?
Parent dot right.
So what value it will return?
21.
So 21 will be returned. So 21 will be placed over here.
Sir, how sir? 21 will be returned to that root is equal to delete node roll number dot root, right?
I am passing that value. So instead of 20, I am returning the value to my root as what? I am passing the value, address.
That's what I thought actually. But where this is that parent dot left will go, parent dot right. Let's say 21.
21
Return.
will go in place of 20.
How sir?
There
There
will
is
be
no
no-
code over there.
Huh?
Like if it says that parent is equal to parent dot right, then it will go.
This
to
is the value. Check what root is getting.
It
I
will
am calling
return
this
parent
function
dot right.
and the return value will get in by root. So
That's
what
right.
I am passing? I am passing return
the-
parent dot right.
So 21 will be the one, right?
21 will be right to my parent, na?
That is true, but the ultimate return value that root is equal to delete node roll number dot root. तो इसमें तो सर वो parent dot right ही आएगा ना 21. मैं वो रिटर्न वैल्यू समझ नहीं पा रहा हूँ सर.
यहाँ पे पैरेंट डॉट राइट आएगा, ये कहना है आपको, ठीक है। यहाँ
Yes.
ये रूट कहाँ चले गया, इसके पास चले गया। आप क्या लिख रहे हो यहाँ पे, पैरेंट डॉट लेफ्ट में
Equal to
डिलीट नोड को
node.
कॉल कर रहे हो, ठीक है। डिलीट नोड को कॉल कर रहे हो, जो डिलीट
Okay.
नोड आपको क्या रिटर्न कर रहा है, रोल नंबर, आइदर एनी ऑफ देम ग्रेटर देन लेस देन, यहाँ पर केस 1 में आ रहे, सॉरी, if parent dot left equal to 9, then it is returning you the parent dot right, who is receiving this value,
Okay.
root.
Okay, sir. Now I understand. It's a recursive function. Okay.
It is a recursive function. बारी बारी में कॉल होगा ना, this will be get called several times as
Yes,
long
yes.
as the satisfaction is coming. Okay. Now what I will suggest, I know I will share this code, but unfortunately I don't have the access to my to your Slack. Can you, Hasif, can you give me that particular?
I'll share you the link. I'll share you the workspace link, Saurabh.
Okay,
Yeah, yeah.
share it to me.